If you've lost access to your Trustmark account and don't have your phone number available for recovery, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will help you navigate the recovery process. Step 1. Visit the Trustmark login page. Go to the official Trustmark website and locate the login section. Click on the Forgot Password or Need Help link to initiate the recovery process. Step 2. Enter your email address. Input the email address associated with your Trustmark account. Make sure it is the correct email to receive recovery instructions. Step 3. Check your email. Look for an email from Trustmark in your inbox. This email will contain a link or instructions for resetting your password. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. Step 4. Follow the reset instructions. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Create a new password. Once you have successfully verified your identity, create a new password for your account. Ensure it is strong and secure, then save the changes. After completing these steps, you should be able to access your Trustmark account without needing your phone number. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Trustmark customer support for further assistance.